Why are there 4 seasons on the Earth? Let's find out the answer from an experiment. Prepare a torch, some coloured clay, a ruler and a sharp pencil. First, use the coloured clay to make an apple-sized ball. Then, stick the pencil into it. The clay ball simulates the Earth, and the pencil simulates the Earth's axis. Next, press the ruler against the ball to create a horizontal line, which divides the ball into 2 equal halves. The upper half simulates the northern hemisphere of the Earth, and the lower half simulates the southern hemisphere. Then, tilt the pencil to the right to simulate the tilt of the Earth's axis for 23.5 degrees. Turn off the light in the room and switch on the torch, which simulates the sun. Place the torch 10 centimeters away from the ball on the right. Which hemisphere receives more sunlight? When the Earth's axis tilts towards the sun, the northern hemisphere receives more sunlight. With more insolation, the northern hemisphere is hotter. It is summer here, and winter in the southern hemisphere. Now, move the clay ball from the left of the torch to the right. This simulates the revolution of the Earth. Remember to keep the pencil tilted to the right. What changes do you notice? When the Earth's axis is further away from the sun, the southern hemisphere receives more sunlight. As a result, the southern hemisphere receives more insolation and is summer. The northern hemisphere, on the other hand, is winter. Now, do you understand why there are seasonal changes on the Earth? We neither feel nor